Hello, I'm Linda Cook, and this is Jean King from the Ohio Poverty Law Center. We are going to talk about ways to increase the amount of income in your household to help you make your mortgage payments.
Finding new ways to increase the amount of available income in your household, which can be devoted to mortgage payments, is a great way to prevent foreclosure. You can either get more income or financial assistance in your budget, or you can reduce your expenses. A free HUD certified housing counselor can help you figure out how to reduce your expenses and plan a budget. We are going to talk about some possible options for increasing income to help you balance your budget. At the end of this video, we will give you the list of websites and resources that we mention in our talk. Here are some ideas to consider.
If you have recent work experience and you have lost your job for whatever reasons, you may qualify for unemployment compensation. Contact your local county one-stop center or your County Department of Job and Family Services to apply. You can also apply online or by telephone. You should apply as soon as possible after losing your employment because your claim will begin the Sunday of the calendar week in which it is filed. Waiting more than a full week to file your application will postpone the beginning of your claim, and no benefits will be paid for the weeks of unemployment which occur prior to filing. Even if you are serving the required waiting week or you are receiving separation pay from your employer, go ahead and file your application.
You should look into whether you qualify for cash public assistance, food stamps, or medical benefits. There may be help out there that you are not currently taking advantage of. For example, you may qualify for assistance through Ohio Works First. This is a program that provides cash assistance to eligible families through Ohio's Temporary Assistance to Needy Families program. This emphasizes employment, personal responsibility, and self-sufficiency. Cash assistance is provided to eligible families for up to 36 months. For children, there are no time limits for this program. Applications are taken and processed at the County Department of Job and Family Services.
Food stamps are another good source of assistance. These are available for families and individuals who need help meeting monthly food expenses and have a higher eligibility limit than the cash assistance program. Benefits are issued on an electronic card, which you can then use to supplement your food budget.
You may also qualify for a medical card or Medicaid. This is a state-run health care program for eligible individuals and families. It is available to children, pregnant women, families with children younger than 19, people with disabilities, and adults 65 and older who meet certain financial requirements. Medicaid eligibility may be changing, so check with your local County Department of Job and Family Services for more information. Besides Medicaid, you can also qualify for other forms of medical assistance.
For example, Ohio offers a state-funded children's buy-in program for certain uninsured children in families with income over 300% of the federal poverty level. The program is available for children younger than 19 who are U.S. citizens and Ohio residents and who have been uninsured for the previous 6 months. Families with children enrolled in the program are required to pay monthly insurance premiums, but the amount of the premium is determined by family size and annual household income.
If you are 65 or older, health coverage under Medicare may be an option. This is the federal health insurance program for people age 65 and older. Certain people younger than 65 can also qualify, including people with disabilities, permanent kidney failure, or other serious and debilitating health problems. The Medicare program helps with the cost of health care, but it does not cover all medical expenses or the cost of most long-term care.
If you are disabled, see if you qualify for Social Security Disability or Supplemental Security Income. Both of these are federally funded programs. You may be eligible for Social Security Disability if you have worked long enough and paid Social Security taxes. You may be eligible for Supplemental Security Income if you are disabled and meet the financial eligibility criteria.
If you are separated or divorced, or if you are single and have children and are not currently getting child support, you should look into this. The local county child support enforcement agency can help you get a child support order. If you have a child support order, but the other parent is not paying the required amount, this agency can also help you enforce that order.
If you have children, you may qualify for child care assistance, a separate assistance program. If you are working or in school, you can apply for help to pay for your child care in the county where you live. You can do this by contacting your County Department of Job and Family Services. You will need to find a licensed child care center, a school-age program, Head Start, or home provider, or in-home aid that is certified by the County Department of Job and Family Services in order to get help. You will still be required to pay for part of the child care, but it could nonetheless be a good way to save money.
If you are working or you have other earned income, you may be eligible to take advantage of the Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC. This is a tax credit available to working people who have low to moderate incomes. It can reduce the amount of federal taxes you owe, and chances are very good that you can also get a tax refund.
Many families struggle to pay their utility bills. There are a couple of programs that may help you. First, if you get your electric or natural gas service from a company that is regulated by the Public Utilities Commission of Ohio, also called the PUCO, you may be able to enroll in a percentage of income payment plan known as PIP Plus. With PIP Plus, you are required to pay only a small percentage of your monthly income on your gas or electric bill. As long as you stay current on your PIP Plus plan, your service cannot be terminated. Contact your utility company or the PUCO for information.
The Home Energy Assistance Program, or HEAP, is a seasonal program that can help with your heating bills in the cold months and in some circumstances help with fans or air conditioning in warm months. HEAP is usually administered by the local community action agencies. If you are facing a utility shutoff and you or someone in your household need electricity to run necessary medical equipment, you can work with your doctor and your utility provider to keep your service on with a utility medical certification.
Here's that list of all the websites and resources where you can find help and information about all the programs we have discussed. If you are struggling to pay your mortgage and coming up short every month, we hope that you will explore some of these programs so you can get some much needed help in order to stay in your home.